Good morning, afternoon, or evening. I go by the name of Solo. Welcome back to Solo Driven. Now, picking up where we left off with the fuel system. If you missed last week's video, I'm gonna leave a link right here so you can check it out and get caught up on everything we've done so far with the fuel system. But anyways, let's get straight to it, picking up where we left off. Let's compare the two really quick before I install the new one. You can actually tell a big size difference. These pumps are a lot wider, they're girthier. But yeah, I mean, of course, when you upgrade something, you know, when you get something from the factory, at least back then, they weren't worried about making this look pretty. This is a much more quality build. Of course, we got the AN fittings right here. But yeah, I mean, I just wanted to show y'all guys real quick as far as the quality goes. And I mean, these things, I mean, they're just so fragile and everything. This is gonna be a huge improvement to get fuel delivery to the cars. Without further ado, let's go ahead and struggle in getting this bad boy back in there because I know it's gonna be a pain in the rear. So yeah, let's just get straight to it. Alright, now all we have to do is kind of just connect these lines like I mentioned earlier. My garage is a complete disaster right now. And I just cleaned it up, like literally not even that long ago. Look at this. This is ridiculous. We're going to be doing a complete remodel of this garage very soon. We're going to do lighting and also just rearrange everything because this is driving me insane. So yeah, anyways. Now, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I think I know where to start. All we have really left to do is route these lines. This 10 AN hose right here, this is for the feed, is not long enough to reach the front of the car. So we have an extra bit of line here, and I believe that part connects to the end part of the fuel filter, and this part connects to the out. Then we will have enough line to reach the front. The return line is long enough to reach the front of the vehicle. All of this is gonna connect to the fuel pressure regulator. I do have to connect the wire that hangs down from the trunk so we can go ahead and connect our pin here. So yeah, like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing, but here goes nothing. Alright, round two. We're gonna go ahead and get straight to this because like I said, all we really have to do is just run the lines all the way up to the front of the car. So without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, we went ahead and routed all the lines. Everything has been put in place, just needs to be buttoned down. We have all the lines ran up to the front to the fuel pressure regulator, tucked in right here for now. Later on in the future, I am gonna move it up here with a bracket that I have to kind of give it a cleaner look, but for right now, we're just gonna have it tucked in right here. Nonetheless, everything is pretty much done. All we have to do is run the white block and the fuel injectors with the fuel rails and run all the lines and everything, which is gonna be pretty simple. I'm super excited, happy that everything is finally in the car, especially the fuel system, because this is something that was gonna be a challenge for me. So yeah, shout out to my brother Alex for helping me out with the installation on the fuel system. There are a couple more things that I want to do to the car. As far as the intake, I need to wire all this stuff up for the mass airflow sensor, and also go ahead and start putting everything back in as far as the fans and, you know, just all this assembly up front. So let's go ahead and knock that out since it's not going to take very long. Alright, we have the fenders back on. This is starting to look like a car again. Fuel system has been installed. All we have left to do is do the plumbing up front. Once I put the blower in, then I'll work on that and get everything sorted out once I know how much room we have to work with. But anyways guys, that's gonna end today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe to help my channel grow. Smash that like button for support. And remember, be motivated, stay driven.